Oh man, look at these graphics. So choice. Yeah, they're pretty choice, but I'm still gonna kick your butt in HD.
Man, that's funny because I'm gonna win.
Yeah, whatever, man. Let's just play. Yeah, guys, let's just play. Man, it's all fun and sport. I'm a monkey. What? Did you just say I'm a monkey?
I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, man, me neither. Okay, guys, don't even try to play that game with me. I know it's one of you two.
Don't worry about it, man. Just the fun of the sport.
Yeah, I guess you guys are right. It's just the fun of the sport. Alright, let's. Ooh!
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Yeah! I'm a monkey! Okay, seriously, you guys? If you do this one more time, there is no more fun of the game. There is no monkey and there is no I don't know what's going on.
Jeez, man. You gotta remember. Fun of the sport.
No, there is no fun of the sport. This is a serious game. This is one time my mom finally lets me get a T-rated game. This is how you show me your respect. If you guys are just going to keep doing this, well, you can just go home. Go to your own houses. Gah! I'm a monkey. What did you say? I'm a monkey! I'm out of here.
Well, I thought it was funny.
Yeah, me too.